of CR Education Trust, Srimati Lata G. Rao Madam, Director of Karavali Group of Colleges, Dr. Shresha Karnike, Dean and Director of GR Medical College and Research Center, and all the principals of Karavali Group of Colleges. Our dignitaries, the most cordial of welcome. We are immensely elated to have you all with us. I request the commanders to escort the dignitaries to the platform. I request the commanders to escort the dignitaries to the platform. Commanders Rajesh Savanthar, Commander Kirti HM, and Commander Manoj Kumar S, proceeding towards the dignitaries to escort them towards the platform. Now have our chairman Sri S. Ganesh Rao sir and all the dignitaries proceeding towards the platform. Standing with spectacular colors, our Karavalian troops are ready to march. The drum beats, the band strikes up, and a high-pitched voice issues the command. Marching in a frantic rhythm and formation. March past about synchronization and teamwork. There is no denying that the well-coordinated march is a piece to the fighting tenure when coupled with some pure march music of the band. I'm extremely glad to introduce the first group marching forward, the students of Karavali College of Hotel Management. The team is led by Mr. Ashley as the flag bearer and Ms. Shruti representing their troop. A comprehensive march past drill is spelled out with their spectacular wares symbolizing their stability. Here at your side are the students of the Department of Commerce expelling their vibrancy in their way. Marching magnificently, led by their team leaders, Mr. Saeed Afam as the flag bearer and Ms. Anupama representing the troop.
of Pharmacy, the Department of PharmD. Besides being spectacular, there is something inexplicably inspiring about their sense of dignity and the pride the parade brings to it. The parade is led by Mr. Nadesh as the flag bearer and Miss Aishwarya representing the team. Representing the beauty of steadfastness and gait, we now have the students of Karavali College of Nursing Science. Mr. Akshay leads the team as the flag bearer and Miss Aishwarya represents the team. Their gait and march symbolizes their determination and unwavering strength. The students of the Karavali College of Physiotherapy now proceed by Mr. Akshay and Miss Purti representing the troop give us a remarkable evidence of their relentless dedication and immense beauty. A very revealing gesture and march by the students of Karavali College of Interior Design, the brainchild of our beloved chairman sir, who introduced the first university-affiliated design course in India in the year 1996. The team is led by Mr. Sarvesh as the flag bearer and Ms. Sahana as the team leader. Bringing before you the students of Electronics and Communication Engineering. The team is led by Mr. Shah Jahan as the flag bearer and Miss Riaz Mujawir representing the team. They march with firm steps on a motivational beat. Their footsteps represent determination. The Department of Mechanical Engineering is well known for their vigor, keenness and strength, which they are showcasing in their march. The team is led by Mr. Charles Johan as the flag bearer and Miss Achel carrying the representation of her team. Now before us, the appealing march by the Department of Civil Engineering. The team is led by Mr. Abdul Ghani as the flag bearer and Miss Sahitya representing her team. The students of Aeronautical Engineering bear witness to the spectacular pace and valor in their work. The trampancy is breathtaking and evident. The team is led by Mr. Ranjit as the flag bearer and Ms. Chitra representing her team. I'm extremely glad to introduce the students of GR Medical College Hospital and Research Center, the flag bearers Mr. Manjunath and the placard bearer Ms. Shreya represent their troop as they walk towards the splendid glimpse of success. At your side are the students of Karavali College of B.Ed. Dressed in white, they symbolize peace and tranquility. The team is led by Mr. Abu Bakr Shafiq and Miss Akita. We now have the students of Karavali Ayurvedic Medical College and Research Center. Engaged in practices of holistic healthcare, the team represents dedication and commitment. The troop is led by Mr. Sameer as the flag bearer and Miss Mesna representing the team. We are now witnessing the iconic extravaganza. Files graded line on the ground march towards their respective places. As the teams proceed marching by, may I now request our Honorable Chairman Shri S. Ganesh Rao Sir to hoist the flag. I request the commanders to escort the dignitaries to the flag post. The release of the balloons is an unprecedented way of declaring the sports meet open. With a huge round of applause, let us aim at the sky with our gratifying faces. Thank you, sir. May I now request the commanders to escort the dignitaries to the dais. courses which empower the new generation to get the right career break in these fields. The institutions not only provide students with quality education but also groom them to face life with confidence. Excellence in education is the driving principle at Karavali colleges. No effort is spared in providing students with a focused academic environment which nurtures complete development of personality. The college has registered continuous superlative performance with successively bagging maximum number of university ranks. Karavali Group of Colleges have 4 independent campuses at Kottara Chowki, Vamanchu, Nirmarga and Bangalore with more than 40 courses. I now call upon Ms. Chestnut to welcome the gathering.
All gathered here, it's my proud privilege to stand before an auspicious gathering. Welcome you all on behalf of Karavali Group of Colleges for today's Intercollegiate Sports Meet 2021-22. On this outset, I would like to welcome our respected chairman, Shri S. Ganesh Sir, founder and managing trustee, Chia Education Trust, who has kindly agreed to preside over today's function. Sir has lightened up the spark within of us for organizing this event. Now I request Mr. Ganesh to gallant our chairman, Shri S. Ganesh Rao, as a token of our love and respect. We welcome you, sir. I would also like to welcome our dignitary Srimati Lata Ji Rao ma'am, Director Karavali Group of Colleges, who has always been a support to this Karavalian family with her ever smiling face and joy and has motivated us in every way and has showed her endless blessings on us. Now I request Miss Andrea to hand over a bouquet. I would like to gracefully welcome to the Dean and Director of Jia Medical College, Hospital and Research Center, the principals, Karavali Group of Colleges present here today to the celebration. We value the insights and guidance you provide to us. My sincere appreciation to you all too. I welcome the press and media people who have come here to witness the celebration. I heartily welcome the teaching fraternity and non-teaching staff and all the physical directors and everyone who are directly and indirectly concerned. A very warm welcome to my dear friends. We are immensely delighted to have you all with us. Welcome on and all.
Of the formal inaugural function of inaugurating the sports meet by releasing the pigeons. Let us give a huge round of applause.
The respected inaugurator of today's function, Madam Lata Ji Rao, respected principal of prestigious GR Medical College, Dr. Srisha Kandige, respected principal of reputed Karavali Institute of Technology, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, principal of Karavali College, Professor Mohan Naik, evergreen hero, the administrator, Professor Zizan, all the respected professional faculty members, non-teaching staff, media friends, guests, invitees. Finally, last but not the least, most of the best, is my dear sweet, disciplined, charismatic students. Students, always you are best for me, because out of the 4 important pillars of the institution, that is management, apex bodies like university and national commissions, parents and students. Students are the only segment students who are directly involving in all the activities of the day-to-day activities of the college. Today I'm more than happy because after Corona, most probably first time I see full-fledged 100% smile in the students' face. We not only won Corona, but we won the war which was against the humanity, which killed the creativity of all the youngsters. That time also I was praying, I was telling in all these speeches, don't worry, there is a God. Today again it's proved, God is there, God is visible in your faces, God is visible in your activities, God is visible in your dynamism. Students, why is sports day? Every college, every institution may not be at this scale, small scale they organize. Karavali, among the other activities and functions, sports day is also given equal prominence. Done in a very professional manner, in a dynamic manner, equally in a disciplined manner, not only to appreciate or celebrate sports, to develop the attitude of sportsman spirit in your life till the last day. Not for 1 year, 3 year, 1 day function. ऐसा नहीं हो जाएगा. नहीं होना चाहिए भी. Because always, whatever we do, whatever we face in our life, whether it's academics, whether it's a personal, whether it's a social, whether it's institutional, or anything everything what we do, positive, productive, and creative. The person with the sportsman spirit, the person who has the capacity to not only digest but also to accept the failures will be successful in life. Sports, who wins or who loses is not important. What is important is participation. So we should apply this formula to life. Participate in each and every minute of your life. Today is a sports day, enjoy it. Don't create any news, back pain, I am not healthy, it is very hot sun. Sports day is like that. Tomorrow it will be something else. Tomorrow it will be college day, it will be award ceremony, examination, practicals. Everywhere have that spirit of sportsmanship. The spirit of sports. Participate, perform well, work hard, sacrifice, wait for the result. God will definitely get you the best results. So in the personal life, after college you will get job, very good jobs, all of you will get. Karavali, none of the Karavali students are unemployed. Afterwards you will have your own personal life. Afterwards you will have your family life. Always remember Karavali Sports Day, GR Sports Day. Today how you are sitting in the hot sun, life will have a lot of hot and cool activities. Sometimes you will be really upset, some students are not able to withstand the heat. Life is like that. You will have sudden constraints, you will have sudden problems. You should not get discouraged. Today if you have not get discouraged, definitely in your life also you will not get discouraged. Second, and very important and most relevant for the present day, students, we don't have discrimination today. Whether your medical students are interior design students, whether your Ayurvedic students are engineering students, whether your fashion design students are physiotherapy students, whether your hotel management students are nursing students, whether your commerce or something else, all are equal. This is the base of Indian Constitution. This is the base of unity and diversity in India. We don't discriminate. You are all students. No caste, no creed, no political interference, no regional, religion, language problems. We are all one. We are all students. I am like your parents, you are like my student. All the students are sweet and dynamic because I treat you like my own children. This message should be carried forward for the entire life. What is happening in our society, especially election years or 1 year before the election, so many issues are created, fabricated. Don't become tool in the hands of bad people. You enjoy your life, whether you are Hindu, Muslim, Christian, BJP, Janata, Congress, Communist, what difference it makes? We are all good, we are all great, we are all one. As far as we salute our national flag, as far as we respect our constitution, as far as we obey the rules and regulations, legal system of this country, more than that, as far as we are a good and great human beings, there should not be any problem in our life. Let us face the life with a smiling face. Let us face the life with a guts. These are the small messages but very prominent messages. I am sure majority of you already inculcated or you are involved in all such good and productive and positive activities. There are so many people to influence you negatively. don't get divided. Don't get influenced. Influence with oneness, influence with helping nature, influence with the sacrifice, influence with the enjoyment of life, get influence with the happy and successful and most important after Corona, satisfied and confident life. After Corona, youngsters are getting discouraged because of the continuous disturbances. You need not get discouraged. If God can trouble you, definitely God will bless you, God can help you. You have a great career and life ahead you. Never get discouraged. Some examinations were online, some teaching were online, so many other issues were there, families were in trouble. Forget everything. This is a dream. Now, with the disadvantages of the dream, face the life with positive energy. The positiveness. With these few words, my dear students, especially all the teams, March past was superb. Congratulations, keep it up, and I would like to sincerely thank you from the bottom of my heart, because college is back to track. System is back to track. This was Karavali and GR Group. This is Karavali and GR Group. This will be Karavali Group and GR Group. Influences will be there. Constraints will be there. Problems will be there. But we should not get discouraged. We should have the capacity to bounce back and forward the life with the double, as we change the gear in the driving, we should change the gear. Now it's a time to go for top gear. Let us expect college day, let us expect graduation day, let us expect so many other activities to take place, so that along with the education and academic activities, all the extracurricular activities will be on, so that students should develop overall. It is not only academics. Academic Karavali is very famous. Continuous ranks, continuous best result, continuous placements are there. It is our record. Along with that, my expectation, all of you should be civilized citizens of this great country. All of you should be ever smiling, all of you should be disciplined, and all of you should be law-abiding citizens of this country. With these few words, my dear students, both the sides, don't think I have only appreciated you. I appreciate your concern, I appreciate your discipline, I appreciate your dedication, I appreciate your support. ಏಕ್ ಸೆ ಬಡ್ಕರ್ ಏಕ್ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ, ದೀಪದಿಂದ ದೀಪವನ್ನು ಹಚ್ಚೋಣ ಹೇಳಿ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ದೀಪಗಳು, ನೀವು ದೇಶದ ದೀಪಗಳಾಗಿ ಉಜ್ವಲ ಭವಿಷ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾರತದ ಒಂದು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಸುಪುತ್ರಿಯರಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಾದ್ಯಂತ ಭಾರತದ ಸವಿಯನ್ನು ಸೊಬಗನ್ನು ಪಸರಿಸುವಂತ ಧೀರ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಾಗಿ, ಯುವಜನರಾಗಿ, ಪ್ರಜೆಗಳಾಗಿ ಈ ದೇಶವನ್ನು ಮುನ್ನಡೆಸ್ತೀರಿ ಹೇಳುವಂತ ಆಶಾಭಾವನೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಕೊನೆಯ ಒಂದು ಮಾತು ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಸರ್ ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ 25 ವರ್ಷ. We have completed 25 years. I have been talking, I have been addressing students for last 25 years. I am not tired, because you are my energy, you are my oxygen. Whenever I see you, I get encouraged. I forget my age, I forget my responsibility, I forget my hardships. Why I am mentioning this? 25 years satisfied students. Even now, majority of the ex-students are in touch with us, even though it is impossible for us to keep that or maintain that relationship. Fortunately, with the grace of God, we are maintaining. We will be maintaining with you also. You will be forever and forever GR Group students. Whether you become 50 years or 60 years, 70 years, whether you admit your children or grandchildren, Karavali will be there, and that sweet memory, ಸವಿ ನೆನಪುಗಳು ಬೇಕು, ಸವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬದುಕು ಹೇಳಿ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಆ ಸವಿ ನೆನಪುಗಳನ್ನು ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಡೇ ಇರಲಿ, ಕರಾವಳಿ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ, GR ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ, GR ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ಬರುವ ಯಾವುದೇ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಸವಿ ದಿನಗಳನ್ನು, ಸವಿ ನೆನಪುಗಳನ್ನು ನಿರಂತರವಾಗಿ ಮುಂದುವರಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ, ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಷ್ಟಗಳು ಬಂದಾಗ ದೇವರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರೊಂದಿಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಅನುಭವಿಸಿದ ಉತ್ತಮವಾದ ವಿಚಾರಗಳನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಮನನ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ, ಪುನರ್ಮನನ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಜೀವನವನ್ನು ಎದುರಿಸಿ ಯಶಸ್ವಿಯಾಗಿ ಹೇಳುವಂತ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದದೊಂದಿಗೆ, ಆಶಾಭಾವನೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಮ್ಮೆ ಮೊದಲೊಮ್ಮೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಅಧ್ಯಾಪಕ ವೃಂದದವರು ನಿಂತೇ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಅವರ ಕೆಲಸ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ, ತುಂಬಾ ಶ್ರಮ ವಹಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. I would appreciate and thank all the faculty members. I know it is very difficult, but still you have done a smooth this thing. I have just come and I have inaugurated and delivering a speech, but I have not done anything more than that. But you, my dear faculty members, all the principals, you have done a wonderful job with this. Once again, congratulations to all of you. Once again, I appreciate, thank, and would like to recognize all the good acts and deeds what you executed in this college. Thank you. All the best till evening. Who wins and who loses is not the subject. Participate, clap, make sound, make noise, support your team. At the same time, don't discourage others. Don't involve in any politics. Discipline will continue as the topmost priority in our all the activities. Before conclusion of the sports meets in the evening and after conclusion, I don't expect any student of any batch to create any story or any problem. If you create, you will be severely punished. Because this day is for enjoyment, this day is for encouragement, and all the PDs, almost a dozen of physical directors, almost a dozen are working hard from last 1 week. They will be here for full day till evening, and I would like to recognize and appreciate their concern and support also with these few words once again. Before saying or concluding, as usual, I would like to expect a big sound from you with claps. Not sufficient. I will not stop. Jada, let me. No, this is not my student. This is not my student. Full swing. Thank you. Important holy thing. There is declaring the sports meet open. I declare open the sports meet of Karavali Group of Colleges and GR Medical College, and wish you all a very grand success. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your motivational words and addressing the young minds. I now call upon Ganesh to come forward and proclaim the oath and others to repeat it. I request all the flag bearers to come forward and assemble near the flag post. The flag bearers will now assemble in a semi-circle way and bow their flags forward. I request the troops to raise their right hand forward to pledge the oath and repeat the oath after him.
Please swear that you will take part in the annual sports meet of our college, loyal competition, respecting the rules and regulations which govern them, and desire of participating in the true spirit of sportsmanship for the honor of our college, the glory of the sports.
What about that? Coach.
It's not happiness that brings us gratitude. It's gratitude that brings us happiness. I deem it a great honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this momentous day. I would like to thank our respected chairman, Shri S. Ganesh Rao sir, founder and managing trustee, GR Education Trust, who has honorably presided over today's function. Thank you, sir, for your gracious presence. I also thank our respected Srimati Lata G. Rao ma'am, Director of Karavali Group of Colleges, for her guidelines and continued support. Thank you, ma'am, for your presence amongst us. I also thank all the principals of Karavali Group of Colleges for their valuable contribution and encouragement. My heartfelt thanks to all the teaching fraternities, physical directors and non-teaching staff for their support. I would also thank the band, press and media for being with us today. A further word of appreciation and gratitude to all the students gathered here for their active participation. Thank you one and all.
Now we have come to the end of the inaugural program and also the beginning of other events to follow. Countdown has begun for the most spectacular, challenging sports events. I welcome you all to this sports extravaganza. We now have the teams marching off the field.